Hey guys, what's up, wagwan? Yeah man, me mash up some lobster soup in the day, yeah. Time kinda look bleaky and thing guys, but me I try hurry up and do what me I do. Yeah, cause you don't know. Yeah man, so these are the things them me I go use and thing. So I have some jumbo shrimp over here. I don't know why I'm getting a tongue twister. Yeah, I have some jumbo shrimp over here. Yeah, I eat that. I have some conch, some blue sea crab, and I have some lobster head that I am going to use. Yeah, man. I have that seafood spice there. You know to spice up the thing. Fresh springtime as usual. Scotch bonnet pepper, you see how them big? Yeah, can't leave out with big boy, you know, flavor the pattern thing. Yeah, man. So I have a green and a yellow. I go and burst one, and the next one not going burst. I have two big Irish here. Turnip. Guys, look how this turnip big. Look on that turnip here, brother. Watch how this big. You know how much this weigh? Pound and a half. Yeah, man. Big and healthy. No fertilizer to the thing. Natural thing. See it there, guys? Yeah, man. Some garlic clove. With good old yellow yam. Dasheen. Cocoa. Two nice big carrot. Yeah, man. Big and healthy again. No fertilizer to the thing. Yeah, man. And we have some corn. Yeah. And we have two stalk of scallion. We big pot over here. And that I go do the work. Yeah, man. So you want me guys. When I say bleaky, I mean the time is overcast. Yeah, the time is overcast. Look like we'll get some rain. So you want me I go over there so catch me cold as usual. You don't know girl. Know how to get her hand dirty and know how to get it back clean. So you come with me over there so. Fire go blaze up here now. Booms. Yes guys, so you want bring up some coal. You don't know what if I could have put in the stove, you know, because the pot they big. The pot they huge. Yes guys, I forgot to mention to you guys that I am on the outside. So if you see any fly flying around, any dog barking, if you hear any children mouth, anything you see guys, butterfly fly around, just remember I am on the outside. Where me there? Outside, outside, outside. Yeah man, so blaze up my coal here now. Blaze up the thing. For my hands them guys. Dirty, but you don't know when you have to get it back clean. Yeah, girl no ramp when girl ready to go cook her food. Don't know me if you wait till the thing kind of blaze up little, you know, but you don't know my style already. Me ever put the coal before. Some nice breeze a blow to you see guys. Mash up a lobster soup in the day, yeah, brother. That a go on. Yeah man, so the pot a go on for that now. Me I give that some time, blaze up and drop on my pot. So stay with me guys, don't go anywhere. You want to see this lobster soup. Yeah man, bad. Yes guys, we're going over to the pot now. We're going to release up some flavor from early. So I have two stalk of scallion. Yeah man. I have the scotch bonnet pepper that I cut in two. Yeah, I want it to be spicy, so I cut this one. I have some onion that I cut up chunky. Garlic cloves. I have a nice piece of yellow pumpkin here, guys. Look at that. I don't know if we got to show the pumpkin, you know. So here now we are go over to the pot, go tossing all of this. So come with me, come along. So I eat that. Pot not start boil up yet, but you don't know some little bubble in at the bottom. You can see that. Let me zoom in some more. Yeah, and you see steam come up and things. So we are tossing this. All of that. Release up some flavor and make the corn go and cook, you know. You don't know. I'm not using the sweet corn. I'm using some original corn. Yeah, man. So I eat that, guys. Guys, you don't know pata bubble and go on with things. So we can't make pata bubble and go on with things and we not do nothing, eh? Watch pata bubble. So here we want spice up and season up the thing. So I go some booms, toss in some salt. Yeah. Then we have our seafood spice over here. Yeah man, so we go season up with water and thing. Get it ready for the seafood. Get it ready to receive the shrimp and lobster and all these things that we have to put in it, guys. Can't make pot of bubble and we not go on with nothing, eh? Pot of bubble we have to go on with something. Yeah man, so next guys, I'm going to toss in the lobster then, so stay with me. I'm going to show now what is going on with these lobster over here. So yeah, I'm going to show you all them lobster head here fleshy, guys. All of these flesh are going to release out in my soup. Look at that. Zoom in on that flesh. Yeah man, and that's how all of them stay, yeah? So we're going to toss over this in the pot. Come along. So yes guys, pot of bubble, we have here bubble back. So here want me go some booms and toss in all of that niceness. Yeah man. So here we go on now guys. I'm going to release my conch. I'm going to release my conch in the pot, yeah? Pot done flavorful already. So you don't know. Booms. So watch it out here now. This is our food. Well dice up and thing. Wash and peel and all these things. So we're going over to the pot with this. Come along. Pot of guan guys. Boops. Look on that. Bubble you can hardly see in that. Yeah man. So we want it bubble. Irish well peel and wash. And I wait for going in a pot. So yeah guys, when you peel the Irish and you don't want it to have that little dark look and thing, don't peel it and put it down. Make sure you peel it and you put it in some water. So we are go over the pot now, so come along with us. Pot go on with itself. Watch what go on this so. Watch what go on in a that. Yeah man. Pot bubble. Drop in Irish you know. Yeah. We are dropping with blue crab them now right away. Same way. So we are drop crab in a pot here now. Yeah. All of that. Then we're going to go. So we're not even store that guys. We just have to boom. Cover back that. So guys, our seafood soup is looking nice and lovely. Look at that. So here we're going to toss in here now. We're going to dash in some other things, you know, guys. Yeah, man. So here we're dashing in some shrimp. See them big jumbo shrimp there, guys. We're putting in this last because you don't know say shrimp. No need no whole heap and time for cook. Then here we're going to do now. We're going to put in some nice big fat juicy carrot. Look at that. Zoom in, let my viewers them see that. I'll do around the back here. Look so bleaky guys. I want to finish before the rain come down. You know, sit down and I drink my big bowl of soup while the rain fall. Yeah man, everything mucho in this brother. Yeah man. Here we know guys. You don't know where we can leave out of this, you know. As a Jamaican, you tell me where we can leave out of the soup here. Can anybody tell me where we can leave out of this? With nice big white flour dumpling. That I go in the pot now, yeah? So stay with me for more. So yes guys, we're going to drop in some dumpling in this now. So this is how we're going to make them. You know? One can hold in your mouth. Nice and small. Yeah? I don't like to make my dumpling them big for my soup. I don't like to make big dumpling pan a hole basically. Yeah. I just like to make the dumpling them small. Here the guys don't make the dog the distract, you know. Remember I'm on the outside. Where me there again? Outside, outside, outside. Yeah man, so dumpling a drop in a pot. So guys, you don't know, you have to drop some spinners in that same way. Yeah? So this is how I make my thing then. You know my little spinners then. Drop them in that, toss that in. Yeah? No, you can't make your soup and not having your dumpling and your little spinners and them thing there, yeah? My mother had the boss pan them thing, you trust me. Yeah man, I eat that guys. So yes guys, you want me to go do you now? I'm gonna release some more flavor in this pot by adding a cock soup mix to it. Yeah? You don't know the thing flavor already, you know, because I use a whole lot of earth seasoning and thing, you know, my pimento, my thyme, my scallion, onion and all these things. Yeah? So you want now. We still have to put back some more of them thing there, you know. Yeah? Scallion, thyme, nice big scotch bonnet green pepper. Going at that boy. Booms. Going at that go flavor out my pot. Yeah man, I eat this. I eat this. Whoa. Flavor go up in my nose, man. Bad. Yeah man, I eat that guys. So here want now, we're gonna go some bums and cover that. Make it go and simmer down.